This video is about installing a do-it-yourself magnetic wireless charger mount in our 2024 Chevy Silverado EV 4WT work truck. Could apply to a lot of other vehicles too. I thought you might be interested in this. We bought this 2024 Chevy Silverado EV 4WT work truck about a month ago. We really like it, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the RST, the fancier version. One of the things that's missing that I really wanted was magnetic or wireless chargers for our phones. So anyway, I came up with a way to do that in this truck, and I'll show you. It worked out really well. I'll show you what I did. Okay, this 2024 Chevy Silverado EV 4WT work truck has a lot of storage, lots of cup holders. They're over there, 2 in each door. Got some back here, and in the back doors. It's got this absolutely gigantic pit here, but no wireless charger, just 2 USB-C ports. So what I did is I got on Amazon, it's my go-to place, and found some things that I thought would work for it. I'll show you what I did. I found this double tray set up from Amazon. It was designed for this truck. And it's got 2 parts, that part and this part. This part fits down in here like that. And you could hide stuff underneath that if you wanted to, but put things here. But it also came with this other part, this other tray that fits here right on top like that. And this other half of this system was this other top tray here, fits in up here like that. And I found these wireless chargers here. They're a magnetic mount. Just put your phone on it like that. And but then they required a cord. Some cord, just a little bit of widening of these holes that are already in the back of this. The particular chargers I bought were USB-A on the charging side of it, or the port side. And so I got these 2 adapters to go from USB-A to USB-C. And so I just plugged those in. And then feed those cords down in there. And there we go. And then with the truck on, just put your phone here and it'll start charging. You can see it's charging. And it holds it. And you can move it around, swivel it in different positions if you want. This has worked out real well. Almost better than any kind of factory wireless charger. So I just thought I'd share that. If those of you have either this type of truck or a different one, this might be a convenient way for you to do that. I'll put links to these chargers and to this tray arrangement in the descriptions if you want to do this, so you can purchase these things yourself or come up with your own idea. So hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like the video and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you.